Hello light travellers, so today we're revisiting the Quechua Arpenaz 10. I've been seeing this bag around a lot recently and the previous review of this bag is my most popular video. So I felt that it was time to give you an update on how it was holding up. I've been using this bag as my daily work carry for the past year or so. I don't use it every single day, but I use it several times a week. This bag has also been my one bag for a road trip that I took a few years ago to Melbourne and back, which lasted about a week, and I packed 3 kilograms into it. At 10 litres it is quite a small bag, but it's very well built for the price. It can be bought from Decathlon stores for about $4.50 Australian or about $2.50 Great British pounds, which is probably why it's such a popular bag. One of my favourite things about this bag is the expanding front pocket. It allows quite a lot of extra room for packing extra things into your bag when the main compartment is full. In my first review of the bag, I noted that it was water repellent. It no longer repels water, and I think that it originally did, perhaps because the material was new and more stiff and the water naturally repelled from it. But as the material softens with use, the water will gradually soak in, as you can see here. There's also a few small cuffs on the front of the bag, although no holes have developed yet. The zipper is also starting to come off slightly at the corner too, as you can see here. Although it still does function, albeit a little less smooth. Finally, one of the straps is starting to fray, although it's still solidly attached to the bag. Overall, it's holding up very well, and I'm still going to use it as my daily travel bag until further damage occurs. And in that case, I would probably replace it with another Arpenaz 10. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what kind of day bag that you use when you're just out and about. And let me know if you've used this bag, what you think of it. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.